Hello students, welcome to English class. So I hope that your revision work and the learning work is going well. You all are revising and learning whatever the syllabus is given to you for your first term exam. Okay, so today I have made this video to discuss with you the format of the question paper, the way, the manner in which you are going to appear your exam. Okay, so first of all, as you all know that your English paper is divided into 4 parts. Okay, so and it consists of 40 marks. It is of 40 marks paper, and we have divided the paper in 4 categories. That is, first is section A, that is the reading, and then is section B, that is writing, section C, that is grammar, and the last one is section D, that is the literature portion. Okay, so first of all, the first question will be your unseen passage, which is in section A. यहाँ पर आपको एक पैसेज दिया जाएगा. Unseen passage means that you have not studied or not gone through it earlier. Okay, you have not studied it or read it earlier. So you will be getting unseen passage, and based on unseen passage, some questions will be given to you, objective type questions. So you have to read the passage and then you have to find out the answers from the passage, and you have to write the questions and then the answers. Clear? So this unseen passage consists of 10 marks. Okay, it is of 10 marks. Now next is section B, that is the writing portion. In this you will be getting 2 questions, that is, one is a message and other one is notice, which I have taught you. Okay, from the 2 you have to select only one. Either you can do message or you can do the notice. Okay, whichever you find it easier. Next is section C, that is the grammar portion. So in this section, the notice and message will carry 5 marks. Okay, next is the grammar portion and it will carry 15 marks. It is of, that section is of 15 marks, and you will be getting questions on the topic like nouns, adjectives, pronouns, degrees of comparison and articles. That is the syllabus that is given to you. So आपको इनमें से जैसे nouns, adjectives है, degrees of comparisons है, इन सब पे questions मिलेंगे अलग अलग. So all questions are objective type questions and you have to answer them. Okay, and this section consists of 15 marks. Give proper question number. Okay, ये सबसे ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है कि आपको क्वेश्चन नंबर देना है. प्रॉपर क्वेश्चन नंबर देंगे तो ही पता चलेगा कि किस क्वेश्चन का आंसर आपने किया है. एंड द लास्ट सेक्शन इज, दैट इज सेक्शन डी, दैट इज द लिटरेचर पोर्शन. In this literature, you will be getting questions from the literature book and reader course book. Okay, so I will be giving you answer the following questions. Some questions like answer the following and then true or false or other objective type questions. Okay, so literature book में से आपको objective type questions मिलेंगे और reader course में से आपको answer the following. उसके लिए आपको जो भी मैंने questions prepare किए हैं वो आपके chapters में से किए हैं. So you have to read that chapter for answering it well. Okay, so that portion consists of 10 marks. Okay, so total your paper consists of 40 marks. इस तरह से आपका पेपर अलग अलग सेक्शन में डिवाइड किया गया है. ओके, सो और जो भी पेपर आपको भेजने हैं वो उसके ऊपर आपको फर्स्ट यू हैव टू राइट योर नेम एंड देन क्लास, डेट एंड द सब्जेक्ट. ईच एंड एवरी पेजेस यू हैव टू राइट एंड सेंड इट इन PDF. ओके, सो इस तरह से आपको अपना पेपर अटैम्प्ट करना है और बहुत ही नीट एंड टाइडी वे में उसे अपीयर करना है. इट शुड नॉट बी मैसी. योर हैंड राइटिंग शुड बी गुड एंड यू शुड स्टडी इट प्रॉपर्ली. सबसे पहले जब पेपर आपके पास आ जाए तो आपको उसे अच्छे से रीड आउट करना है, उसे समझना है क्या पूछा गया है और फिर उसके बाद आंसर करना है. ओके, क्लियर? So I hope you have understood the pattern of the question paper. So keep learning, enjoy your time, and all the best, students. Thank you.